I needed eSIM internet access temporarily, and after checking several sellers, only this one allowed same-day purchase and activation. It worked very smoothly. The only downside is the price, but considering the fast and reliable speed, the higher price is reasonable. It's easy to use and very stable. I'll continue using it when I travel abroad again. The network connection is very stable. It's worth using again, there were no lag issues. Upon arrival and after setting up the phone, it immediately received a signal, and there were no problems in Austria, Czech Republic, Slovakia, or Hungary. Everything went smoothly. Installation was very convenient. I bought it and installed it immediately. The internet speed was also great. I highly recommend it. I think this eSIM is really convenient to use, and I will continue to use it in the future. My first trip to Eastern Europe. I was initially considering buying an eSIM, since I'd bought them from KK Days many times before for travel to Asian countries without any problems. So this time, I decided to buy an eSIM from KK Days again. And it was definitely the right choice. I bought an 11-day unlimited data plan. When we entered more rural areas, I was the only one who could access the internet to find directions, so I knew I'd made the right decision. Thank you, KK Days. Stable signal, unlimited data, affordable price, highly recommended. It works smoothly in both urban and remote areas. You can install it in Taiwan first and use it immediately upon arrival, which is very convenient. It is very smooth to use and easy to operate. It is easy to process online. With convenient internet access, you can send photos to share with family and friends anytime, creating a seamless and immersive experience. Smooth and lag-free browsing, searching for information online, sending photos, and watching videos all worked flawlessly. For just $99 on the 7th, you get a stable, fast, and smooth internet connection in Munich, Germany. Highly recommended. For just $99 over 7 days, the internet connection is stable, fast, and smooth. Highly recommended.